While there's no strict definition of a low carbohydrate diet, anything under 100 to 150 grams per day is generally considered low carb. This amount is definitely a lot less than most people consume daily. Low carb diets are really popular right now, but it's easy to make mistakes with them. Here are the most common errors people tend to make when they're trying to follow a low carb regimen. Eating too much protein. Many low-carb dieters tend to overdo protein consumption. This is especially true of protein that comes from animal sources. Fear of fat. Some people think they'll lose weight even faster if they cut out carbs and fat at the same time. This is a big mistake. If you don't eat carbs, you must add fat to compensate. If you don't, you may not be getting the complete and adequate nutrition you need. There's no reason to avoid fat as long as you choose healthy fats like monounsaturated and omega-3 types. Skimping on sodium. A lot of people think of sodium or salt as a dietary villain that they should avoid, but you need a certain amount of sodium because it's a crucial electrolyte. Low sodium levels can lead to lightheadedness, fatigue, headaches, and even constipation. When you're on a low-carb diet, it's generally okay to salt your food, or add some sodium by having a cup of broth every day. Quitting too soon. When you cut way back on carbs, your body needs to adjust to burning fat instead. This usually takes a little time, and you may not feel quite normal while your body is adapting. Some degree of noticeable physical discomfort may last 3 to 4 days, and full adaptation could take several weeks. This may tempt you to quit and go back to consuming more carbs. Therefore, it's important to be patient and not abandon your low-carb diet before it has had a chance to deliver the results you want.